Turmeric is the spice that can change your life. Yes, it will add a new flavor to your cooking, but how about assisting with your health? From being a potent anti-inflammatory and reducer of IBS, to cancer prevention, turmeric has a lot of benefits. Join me for a trip through this spice's benefits, along with practical ways to add it into your daily diet. Chinese and Indian systems of medicine have been aware about the powerful uses of turmeric for centuries. This spice is native to Indonesia, and southern India, where it has been commonly consumed for over 5,000 years. Turmeric comes from the root of the Curcuma longa plant, and has a tough brown skin and a deep orange flesh. This spice is also high in manganese, iron, and a great source of B6, copper and potassium. If you have used turmeric in cooking, I am without doubt you understand its great ability to be used as a textile dye. It loves to turn things yellow-orange. Turmeric benefits. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory, potent, and safe. Turmeric has a safe, volatile oil fraction and curcumin that are natural anti-inflammatories with effects comparable to drugs like Hydrocorisone, Phenylbutaxone, and Motrin. The good thing is turmeric does not have the toxic issues these drugs have, like ulcer formation, decreased white blood cell count, and intestinal bleeding. Number 2. Treatment for IBD. Curcumin has shown to be an effective treatment for inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Researchers are still searching to figure out how this exactly works, but have found very low concentrations are effective, even as little as is usually in a dish of curry. Number 3. Rheumatoid Arthritis Relief. Helps to neutralize free radicals, which can lead to painful joint inflammation resulting in rheumatoid arthritis. Studies have shown curcumin produced positive results comparable to phenylbutazone. Results included shortened duration of moringin stiffness, lengthened walking time, and reduced joint swelling. Number 4. Cancer prevention. Curcumin in turmeric helped protect cellular DNA from free radical damage, and helped to destroy mutated cancer cells so they couldn't spread throughout the body. Number 5. Inhibits cancer cell growth in breast cancer. A University of Texas study revealed curcumin in turmeric acted as a master switch to turn off the growth of breast cancer. The study was published in Biochemical Pharmacology, September 2005. Clinical trials at the University of Texas are also studying curcumin's therapeutic properties with myeloma and pancreatic cancer. Number 6. Prevent colon cancer. Turmeric and onions were found in August 2006 study in gastroenterology and hepatology, to decrease the size and number of precancerous lesions within the intestinal tract. Number 7. Prostate cancer halted by turmeric and cauliflower. Studies revealed that isothiocyanates found in cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale, combined with turmeric, retarded the growth of prostate cancer cells. It was found to prevent prostate cancer as well. Number 8. Lower risk of childhood leukemia. University Medical Center, Chicago, found that turmeric could decrease the risk of developing childhood leukemia. Number 9. Liver function improved in 14 days. A recent study showed curcumin given for 14 days resulted in improved liver detoxification by 16%. Number 10. Turmeric lowers cholesterol. Turmeric improves the liver's ability to clear more LDL, cholesterol from the body. Number 11. Lowers blood pressure. Turmeric is a natural blood thinner which can help to fight against hypertension. Number 12. Protection against Alzheimer's disease. Epidemiological studies show that in elderly Indian populations where turmeric is common, cases of Alzheimer's are very low. Other studies have revealed how Alzheimer's symptoms decreased in individuals after introducing turmeric into the diet. Personally, I have seen these anti-inflammatory effects. When targeting a new muscle group during workouts, I have noticed stiffness and joint pain the next day. Adding some turmeric to my diet removes the discomfort overnight from my joints. Later in the article one will suggest easy ways to get this great spice into your diet. Selection and storage. Many markets now carry turmeric, but better quality can often be found in ethnic markets or local spice stores. You may find these stores have more selection and fresher options than the common market. Always look for organic, to avoid pesticides and irradiation. To get the highest levels of curcumin, look for turmeric, not curry power. Keep your turmeric powder in a tightly sealed container in a cool, dark, and dry place. Fresh turmeric rhizome should be kept in the refrigerator. Enjoying turmeric can be easily added to salad dressings. Make up some curry. Sprinkle on sautéed apples, steamed cauliflower or green beans. Make a quick dip or salad dressing. Mix some turmeric and dried onion with mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. Use turmeric in egg salad for more yellow color. Sauté cauliflower floret halves with turmeric for 5 minutes. Take to table and toss with olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Experiment and find your own great way of eating turmeric. Be sure to add black pepper when making turmeric dishes to aid in absorption. Too busy to make food? When you can't get the great turmeric foods, a supplement can be another way to receive the great benefits. One important fact to understand about turmeric supplementation: it must contain black pepper to increase absorption. Without the black pepper, the turmeric can pass through the body with very little absorption. On the supplement label this will be displayed as bioperine black pepper extract. There are many different makers of turmeric supplements. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up.